Once assembled and secured to the mobility scooter, you are now ready to unfold the frame of the canopy. First, remove the protective cover. The frame can be now moved into position. The plunger will click into place to ensure it is secure. Then, fold down the strong Perspex windscreen. Next, the front protection panel should be secured to the scooter by fastening the 2 Velcro pads around the bumper. Now, the sides can be opened out, unfolded, and zipped from the back towards the front of the scooter. The canopy is now ready for use. To access the scooter, simply unzip one side from the bottom towards the top. The canopy has some fantastic convenience features. The new window, specifically designed to help navigate when out and about. And, of course, not to mention passing that all-important shopping. Assembly is now completely toolless. The hand wheels make it easy to fit and tighten. And the universal arm brackets are simple to secure and adjust over any armrest. To simply fold away the canopy, unzip a side and observe the useful colour-coded Velcro. First, match the yellow Velcro patches at the top and the bottom. The side of the canopy will fold naturally in the middle. Next, match the grey Velcro found at the bottom of each side. And finally, to fully fold the canopy back, place the red patches together. Next, detach the Velcro from the front protection panel. The frame can now be folded back. Pull the plunger to fully retract the frame to its folded position. And finally, place the protective cover over the canopy. Stay warm and dry on your mobility scooter with the industry-leading Universal Canopy.